So let's go ahead and work on the header file. So now what you gotta do is source files. Actually, no, let's put in header files, and then you add this new header file. So this is our test over here. That's just the name of our program that we're using. Then go to the same program name again, and then we're gonna this one to another header file. So we double click that, and you open a new header file. So the way you start a header file, you do hashtag if and def. Then we can do the name, number, manipulator, underscore h. Then hashtag define, number, manipulator, underscore h. And then you want to do end if to close it. So now over here, we can move the stuff what we have just to a different place. So we can think of a header file is we take part of our code here and put it somewhere else. But let's just make a function out of this. So we can make it called, well, let's take a look what number was to figure that out. So it's an integer. So we can make an int function here. So int, well, let's just say fun because functions can be fun. Well, that's not the reason, but we can just, I can say that's a joke. So let's just take in int num. So we're gonna make some modifications here to change it to this. So we could also did it like this, since we're just manipulating the parameter itself. We could also did that, and then just comment this out, or just put return. This also works. So we could also did that, but I want to make it like this instead. So now that we got our function added, let's go ahead and do that instead. So number equals fun, and pass the number itself. Now right now it's actually undefined, but we gotta do it in order to use that library. Let's save it. You do hashtag include number manipulator dot h in quotes, and that's how you would do it. So now this should work as intended. So if we run this, we input 10 like before, and we still get 11, just like we had it over here originally. Did you watch the previous video that I showed? You will see I did show you guys on what the code does. So this was what headers does. That's one thing it can do.